Hello, I'm Robert. Welcome to DIN Talks. Let's take a look at the best drones with camera you can buy on Amazon today. And as usual, we have the links to all the drones mentioned in this video in the description below. And be sure to subscribe for new content and drop a like below. Now, let's go straight to the video. Number 5. DJI Mavic Mini. DJI has done it again. The drone manufacturing juggernaut just released the Mavic Mini, which is their lightest and smallest drone yet. This is DJI's first model that weighs just 249 grams, making it exempt from the FAA's requirement to register any drone that weighs 250 grams or more. For its small size, around the size of a smartphone, DJI has done an incredible job packing the Mavic Mini with a large array of features. The popular foldable design from the Mavic series also shows up in the Mini, making it one of the highest tech portable drones on the market. With a 30-minute flight time, 12-megapixel camera, and 3-axis gimbal, it will be difficult to find a comparable aircraft in this size and price range. Pilots will have the option to choose from 4 pre-programmed flight maneuvers like rocket, circle, droney, and helix. GPS receivers and downward visual positioning sensors make the Mini easy to operate with precise hovering. This drone is a great choice for hobbyists who want DJI technology in a small and relatively affordable package. Number 4. F111WF Folding Drone. The F111WF Folding Drone is an affordable drone that is exceptional for traveling due to its folding arm design typically found on higher-end drones. Its impressive 6-axis gyro offers optimal stabilization for the 720p HD camera to easily capture high-definition aerial photos. Live Stream allows a drone operator to see exactly what the drone is seeing through your smartphone via the iPhone Android mobile app. The extra battery, propeller guards, and propellers that are included make this the perfect camera drone. Number 3. U49WF FPV Camera Drone. The U49WF FPV camera drone boasts altitude hold and a first-person view FPV screen with camera live video, so you can see exactly what the HD camera of your drone sees in real time. It also comes with an extra battery to help you fly for even longer before having to charge, and an outstanding 720p camera for clear HD pictures and live video. Add to that its impressive long flight time of 25 minutes with the extra battery, and you're looking at a great drone for beginners, or intermediate pilots for that matter, at an inexpensive price. Number 2. DJI Mavic 2 Zoom. The Mavic 2 Zoom introduces brand new zooming capabilities. The 24mm to 48mm zoom lens offers 2x optical zoom and 2x digital zoom, giving photographers and filmmakers more flexibility when it comes to framing their shots. It also offers an upgraded quick shot mode with the fun and creative drone, circle, helix, rocket, boomerang, and asteroid and dolly zoom flight modes. Both the Mavic 2 Pro and the Zoom have advanced tracking capabilities, but the Zoom takes it up a level. With hybrid autofocus, the Zoom improves autofocus speed up to 40% with better accuracy. If image quality is your priority, then you might opt for the Mavic 2 Pro over the Zoom. The 2 Pro is equipped with a 1-inch CMOS 20-megapixel camera co-engineered in partnership with Hasselblad, the world's leading manufacturer of medium-format cameras and lenses. The Zoom's camera system is still professional-grade, however, with a 1 to 2.3-inch CMOS 12-megapixel sensor. Number 1. DJI Mavic 2 Pro. The DJI Mavic 2 Pro is one of the most popular drone models on the market because of its compact size and a large array of intelligent features. With a professional-grade camera from Swedish camera manufacturer Hasselblad, the 1-inch CMOS sensor Hasselblad camera offers 20-megapixel photography with enhanced HDR and color sensitivity. The Mavic 2 Pro may be small, but it is perfect for professional photographers, videographers, and content creators, just to name a few. Its portable design makes it an essential companion for travel bloggers, documentary compilers, and commercial drone pilots in any industry. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing can sense obstacles from 5 directions: forward, backward, downward, left, and right. Plus, it's equipped with upgraded versions of Active Track, Waypoint, and Point of Interest modes, so professional photographers and videographers never have to place a cap on their creativity. Thanks for watching.